Coffee break with me. Woo! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. How are you today? Today I'm here with a video in partnership with FabFitFun. It is that time of the season where we talk about add-ons. I always do my FabFitFun unboxing, but I recently started to do add-ons and you're like, Dani, what are add-ons? Like, this is news to me. I need you to please explain what you're talking about. So if you guys are unfamiliar, FabFitFun is a seasonal box, right? So it's a box that I unbox for you guys every 3 months, and it's a box that isn't just beauty products. It's also wellness and fashion. It's a really cool box. I mean, you guys, my fall box, I pretty much went bananas over it. I've gotten really beautiful shawls slash scarves, beanies, mugs, exfoliate. It is a $49.99 a season box, but every box is worth well over $200. And every FabFitFun video I have for you guys, I do have a discount code. It's a $10 discount code for those of you that are new time FabFitFun users. For this video, it's gonna be Dani's sale. So if you guys are interested in signing up for FabFitFun, all of the details will be listed in the description box below. But what are add-ons? Add-ons are products that you can add on to your subscription. So if you've already subscribed to FabFitFun or you want to subscribe now, you have a short window of time from now until February 18th to go onto the add-ons site and you can purchase or add to your cart or to your spring box really amazing products that are very, very, very heavily discounted. So they sent me a few to show you guys. So basically what's gonna happen is you're gonna get your box like you normally do, your spring box, but before then you have until February 18th to go to the site and add additional products, and they'll ship them with your spring box. Remember that your add-ons are full-size, great value products at a heavy discount, and kind of like a secret tip, if you go back and check the add-ons every few days, they do add new stuff. Okay, so keep that in mind. Anyway, I actually don't know the extent of what's in this box. I've seen a couple of products that I'm gonna show you first because I already know I love them. And then others, I haven't actually seen them. So let's get into these add-ons that I'm gonna show you. And I'm pretty sure that if you guys follow any other beauty vloggers that also do FabFitFun, they probably have different items. So it might be cool to see and get a better idea of what's out there. Or you could just go to the add-ons part of their site and see what's on there and add it to your cart and then thank me later. You wanna do that? Let's get into it. The first product that I wanna show you is from Pathology. And Pathology actually has really great sheet type skincare products. So like eye masks, face masks. This is a set of 4 masks, and these are exfoliating lactic acid and soothing sheet masks. So these are 5-minute facials. So with lactic acid and stuff, it's totally gonna dissolve that like top layer of dead skin cells on the surface of your skin. It does have 4. I've actually never tried a sheet mask of this type. So I'm really excited to try it because that's kind of handy, right? Like a lactic acid peel in a sheet. I'm gonna have to report back, you guys. 2 other favorites that you already know I'm an incredible, crazy, psycho fan over are the Schmitz Deodorant. This is an all-natural deodorant in rose and vanilla. A lot of you guys recommended I try the, I think, lime bergamot. I haven't actually tried it, but I have gone through a rose and vanilla one already, and it's right. You guys were totally right. You were like, at first it feels a little uncomfortable, like it stings a little bit, but after that first week or 2, it's fine. It's totally fine. You guys, it's such a great deodorant. So when I knew this was in my box, I was like, don't mind if I do, FabFitFun. This is definitely a great add-on. Plus, I love how it smells. Nothing like your armpit smelling like roses, right? The other product that I lose my panties over every time it's in a FabFitFun is a sponge gel sponge. This is actually a set of 2. And it has 2 body wash infused buffers in the scent Beach Grass Duet. Let's see how this looks. These are really big, you guys. Look at that. All the sponge gels that I've seen are in the shape of a flower. They're really, really cute and handy. God, this smells so good. Then we have 2 hair products from the brand called eSalon. We have the moisturizing shampoo and conditioner, Getting Rich and Every Rich Way. I've never heard of the brand eSalon. It sounds like I should know about it, right? Like the name sounds very trendy and familiar, so maybe I have, but it is a set of shampoo and conditioner, moisturizing. Then we have this, and I actually tested out this product, but I didn't test it out properly. I'm pretty sure it works, I just didn't do it right. So this is the pre-heels spray treatment that helps keep your feet safe when you're wearing heels and you don't want to get blisters or feel uncomfortable. So basically it's like a hairspray, right? And you spray it on the most painful part of your feet when you're wearing heels, like on the surface where the heel would rub, or on the back of your heel. And so you do a layer, like a little layer, and then you do another layer and another layer. You do as much as you think would be, you know, helpful without going overboard. So what it does, it creates this invisible barrier that's gonna protect you from getting any like painful blisters when you're wearing heels. It smells really strong, but the smell dissipates. It smells almost like a hairspray, like an aerosol hairspray. So you do a thin layer, let it dry, another layer until you think it's a good layer. Now I wore this with heels to an event where I had to stand up all day, but this event was at a hotel that had a pool. And so at the end of the event, my friend was like, oh, let's soak our feet in the pool and take some cute pictures. So I take my feet out of the pool and it literally looks like my feet are like half snake. Like it started to peel off like dead skin. Like when you get a sunburn and you get those like chunks of skin falling off, that's literally what it looked like. So if you know you're gonna be in an area that's like moist or damp, or you're gonna be soaking your feet, it is not a good idea. Or if there's gonna be puddles, or it's raining, or for whatever reason your feet are gonna get wet, you definitely don't want to use that. But it does work. Another product from Schmitz is the Cedar Wood and Juniper Natural Soap. This is a soap that is moisturizing and detoxifying, and it has charcoal and volcanic sand. I don't know about bar soap. I feel like more companies should bring them back. You know, bar soaps are so convenient and handy. They're so good for you, especially this one that has charcoal. Charcoal is so good. And this is actually for your face or your body. So that's super handy. Two more beauty products. One is a skincare product from Murad, and this is the Pore Rescue Mattifet Blotting Perfector. What's a blotting perfector? Lightly press the applicator puff into the cushion, pat puff onto skin, concentrating on oily areas. Translucent liquid blotting formula. This is really interesting. I'm not gonna open it because it does have a safety seal on it, and I don't ever have oily, greasy, or shiny skin, ever. Does this go over your makeup or under your makeup? This is really cool. Set your makeup, touch up throughout the day, or use on bare skin for a natural matte look. That's really cool. Okay, and then a couple of randoms. Remember that FabFitFun is all full-size products, but it's not just beauty products. It's lifestyle, it's stuff for your home, it's fashion. So we have a couple of products that might seem a little odd or different, you know, but you might actually really enjoy. The first one is a mirror, and I see these mirrors a lot, especially on Instagram. This is a LED makeup mirror. Look how cute that is. And it has the 10 times magnifier. So if you want to use it for like tweezing your brows or like your mustache, like over here, this one. This is a dimmable LED mirror. It has a power switch. It has a little tray at the bottom so you could put stuff there. The mirror you can turn either way. So it can be portrait or landscape. And then it has a little button right here. It's not an actual button. Do you see that circle? So it's not a button that you push in, it's actually like a touch, like a sensor button. And then you have the magnifying 10x mirror that is removable, so it doesn't just stay there. You can take it off if you don't want it there. But I already have a makeup mirror that I want to use, so I'm pretty sure this is gonna need to find a loving home. So I'm just throwing that out there. Then we have some jewelry, and this is from 8 Other Reasons. This is a really cute, dainty jewelry brand. How cute is that? It's like a double layered dainty necklace with tiny little black beads. Isn't that adorable? Super cute. One of my favorite necklaces is actually from this brand, and I actually got it because of FabFitFun. Then we have a fitness journal. This is called Fitbook Lite. It is a 6-week fitness and nutrition journal. How cool is that? So it helps you meal plan, it helps you keep track of your exercising, check-ins, weigh-ins, and stuff like that. I obviously don't need this because I kind of stopped working out since I got sick, and I'm not very proud of that, but maybe I should hold on to it so that when I feel better, I actually have some accountability. So this is an add-on. And the last add-on that I get to show you is this cute little jewelry tray from a brand called Sweetwater Decor. It says "Hello Gorgeous" on it. How pretty is that? I love these little dishes. I have 2 on my desk here in my office. I have 1 on each of my nightstands. I have another one where I have my perfume and my jewelry. I love these little dishes. They're so handy because, you know, you get home and you're tired, you want to take off your watch or your rings or whatever. It automatically gives you like a landing zone, so you're not leaving your stuff around. And so, as maybe extra as it sounds, it definitely keeps you organized, so you know where to put your stuff and it doesn't, you know, go missing, or you don't accidentally, like you're cleaning the counter, you don't actually like, knock your rings off, your jewelry, or whatever you took off, right? So it's a really, really cute idea. Plus, who doesn't need a reminder about how gorgeous they are? I mean, it doesn't hurt, right? Anyway, so that is it for this video. Don't forget that FabFitFun is available as a seasonal box for $49.99. If you guys were curious to try it, I do have a $10 discount code. It's Dani Sale, but all of the information and details will be listed in the description box below. Don't forget that if you're interested in adding any add-ons to your box, you do have until February 18th. So you gotta kind of hustle on that. But other than that, I think that's it, guys. You know what to do. If you found this video useful, entertaining, and learned something, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. And until next time, this coffee break is over. Bye, guys. Say bye to everyone. Say bye. Don't forget to add those add-ons. I love you. Do you think I'm pretty? Stop fishing for compliments. Seriously. Have some manners. Be a lady. I love you.